That's kind of far away, isn't it?
A little bit.
Okay, I'm going to move it closer.
Okay.
Oh! It's fine. It's all good.
Okay. Let's do it.
Is that closer?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think we would have to have it as high up now. Oh, well. Okay. So, we got a comment on our Sprite and Banana Challenge video. I'm guessing you guys liked Becca because we got a lot of views compared to what me and Jayla got. So, take off that jacket. You look like a homeless person.
Take off the jacket.
Okay. We are going to have a burping contest. I have my, well, not my favorite because my aunt got generic.
Oh, it's okay.
Generic's gross. Don't say your stuff on my school supplies.
Okay.
Sit down. Quit looking like a tramp.
Oh, I did not look like a tramp.
Okay. Hold your paw.
I'm holding it.
So, are you going to burp first?
No, I want to burp first.
Okay, well, you're burping first. Too bad. You're younger.
So, when do I start?
Take a drink. Burp whenever you want.
Nice. Can I burp? That was a strong burp. I'm proud of that one.
That's the only one you should be. Oh, I dyed my hair, by the way. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's darker now.
It is.
Like, the blonde's gone, so.
Bye-bye.
Have you ever noticed that?
Mm-hmm.
When did you notice?
Like, the first time I saw you since you dyed your hair.
I want us together.
It's not coming out. Oh, stop.
Oh, stop. That's not very nice.
How long are we supposed to burp?
Until the pop's gone.
Alright.
How much do you have left? You have way more than me.
Ah!
They're getting smaller and smaller.
What's getting smaller and smaller?
My burps.
This is so classy. This is the funnest thing ever.
But we still have to and see if you're, and we gotta see if you can stay the night.
Yeah. You guys think I should stay the night with her? It's awesome. Ow, I'm sorry.
We have school tomorrow though.
Yeah, it's okay though. We've done it before.
That didn't taste too good.
But, like, there was a murderer outside the door.
No, that was just Haley.
She's scared. I thought she was a murderer. I screamed. I'm sorry.
The people that are going to be watching this video want us the burping contest, not us talking.
Okay. I thought we were pretty funny when we talked, though.
We are.
We're just a funny group of people. I forgot how to burp. I forgot.
whenever I'm burping.
I'm sorry.
Getting tiny now.
You want me to burp for you? What?
It's falling. It's falling. Here, hold this.
Okay.
Don't drink it. Becca? I have you on record. I will stab you with a candy cane.
Don't stab me with a candy cane. Ow! You broke it!
Oh well, it's like a week old anyway.
It hurt.
Or like a year or something. I don't know.
Like a week or a year.
My room's a total mess. That's why you only see one little section of it.
Yeah, I don't want to see the rest.
Beat that.
It's okay. You know, someone called me fat today. I got really depressed.
You are fat. It's okay. We're
I'm
all
not
fat.
I used to be all small.
Yeah, well, that's what you do when you
See, look, I'm not fat. Maybe I am fat. Oh my gosh, I'm fat.
Look at this. I'm fat too. See?
Yeah, but you're tiny for your age. Look how big your boobs are. Look, my boobs are tiny and my stomach's big.
Get out of my room, fag.
She's grabbed my boobs.
No!
No!
It fell again.
Okay, bye.
Okay, we're not done with the burping contest.
No, nowhere near.
We're having... Hold this. I'll fix it.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties here. Show off. Which one's mine?
That one. I forgot I burped. That was puny and it did not come out.
You know what? No one ever tagged... Oh, message. Not for me. That sounded like hey. It was like, "Arr."
Ow!
Did that help?
No!
Oh, my room's haunted, by the way.
It is! I had one of these one time sitting over there. No! Our battery's low. Dismiss. Okay.
Are you done?
Uh-uh.
How much do you have left? I'm done. I'm done.
I'm done.
That means she's done because I'm done. Now, comment and tell us who you think won. And if you have any ideas of what kind of video we should make next, please comment below and tell us.
Bye!
Bye.